All right, this is the closing ceremony for the FCL for the code review team. This is related to incidents 8608. So just for a little recap, there was an incident at the end of March. We introduced a security fix that and there was an edge case that caused some errors that customers were seeing. We rolled that back. But then we went into an FCL to try to address that. So this closing ceremony, the idea is to kind of just do a retrospective and talk about what we've done. So there is a retrospective issue that's shared in the agenda. If you have, I put a couple things in there. If you have any other thoughts, feel free to add them as well. So I think just in summary, we had already, before the FCL started, we kind of already reprioritized and started addressing our availability and reliability issues. It included the fix for the security issue, but then also there were a number of infradev issues that were high priority. So when we started the FCL, scope of work didn't change too much. But I think that's good that we already recognize the need to address these reliability issues beforehand without needing an FCL. So I think that's good. Yeah, I think there was a little confusion about whether or not we actually needed an FCL. Kind of decided we didn't need one at first because, well, Carrie, you can correct me if I'm wrong. I don't think this was ever posted on a public status page, which is kind of the triggering event for an FCL, one of them. Is that correct?
I believe that is correct. Yeah.
Okay.
It happened. It happened outside of major working hours, major traffic hours, I should say, and the impact, we identified what it was, or the people who are addressing it identified it quickly, and the fix was pushed out really quickly.
Right. Okay. So because of that, we didn't think we really needed an FCL. There were a number of other unrelated production incidents in the days after. So to be safe, we took all of them and started FCLs for everyone, just to make sure we were focused on availability and reliability. I think the other important thing to call out was that our team was already at fairly low capacity during this FCL. We had a couple team members focused on the AI initiative, others on vacation. So we still were able to look into a few reliability issues, but our capacity was pretty low. Yeah. Does anyone else have thoughts or comments on this FCL? No.
Yeah. I have kudos for Gary for stepping up and getting that change put together, and working on it. I don't know that it's merged yet, but
yeah, still in
thank
progress.
you for thanks for taking that on. I really appreciate it.
Yeah, that was great. Thanks, Gary.
Hopefully I don't also trigger one.
Hopefully not. Good. All right. Well, I mean, for the low impact that this FCL had in our team, I think the closing ceremony can also be low ceremony and low impact. So I think I'll call it there, unless anyone else has anything else they wanted to add.
Thanks, Matt and Gary, both of you, for taking care of all the things that have to be taken care of as part of this process. The team is everywhere, so this is helpful.
Yeah, got it. All right. Well, thanks, everyone.